Now tell me this isn't a lash extension dupe. If you want to see how I did it, keep watching. Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. Yeah, I've been slacking on YouTube. I apologize, I'm trying to get back in my groove. But this video is just going to be on how I do my cluster lashes. So if you didn't know, I'm actually a certified lash tech. I do lashes. I used to do literally individual lash extensions on myself. I'm still able to, it just takes mad long. When I do lash extensions, if I'm not doing it myself, I usually go to like a friend that also does lashes and we just trade off. I do hers, she does mine. But I was taking a break on lashes, but I still wanted the look. So I tried cluster lashes and they look pretty much exactly like lash extensions because they go underneath your eyes. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply them. The only thing with cluster lashes is they just don't last as long as regular lash extensions. I've tried 2 different glues. I'll actually talk about that later on. But yeah, they just don't last as long. That's the only thing. But yeah, if you want to see how I apply my cluster lashes when I want a pop, you'll see it right now. Okay, so this is the glue I use. I'll get into that in a bit. And these are the lashes. Everything is from Amazon. I'll link it down below. But basically, I just dip the lash in the glue and then I put it underneath my lashes. So when I put it underneath, it just makes it sit a lot more natural and it basically just mimics lash extensions. But I apply it basically to the, I'm saying basically a lot, but I apply it to like the base of my lash line. And I'll explain the links I use in a bit. But going back to the glue, so I use this one now. The first one I used is a glue that came with some lashes I bought. And it was good, but it literally only lasted about like 2 days. This one lasts maybe like 5 to 6, which isn't long. But cluster lashes just won't last as long as regular lash extensions. And that's if you're using the correct glue for cluster lashes. I'm pretty sure I explained this near the end of the video, but I'm going to say it now too, just for the people that don't stick around that long, which is fine, you know. I mean, you should, but it's fine. People are busy. They got stuff to do. But with cluster lashes, you do not want it to last as long as lash extensions because it'll damage your lashes. With regular lash extensions, they're isolated, so it goes on one individual lash. With this, obviously, it does not. So the fact that it doesn't last as long as regular extensions is a good thing. But I use the same lengths I use when I get regular extensions, which is 10 to 14 millimeters. So I do about one 10 millimeter, 2 11s, about 3 to 4 12s, 2 13s, and 1 or 2 14s, and that's how I get this cat eye shape right here. And just pressing my finger up to kind of like push the glue, and so it has like a good bond. I was just putting more glue there because by this time the glue would have got a bit too dry. But you're gonna see me looking here like my eyes are divoting. Is that the right word? You get what I mean. I was just making sure that where I started the lash on the other eye matched the other one. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the other eye. And yeah, we're just gonna watch this together. Hour or two, an hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hate me when you know better? You know better, you know you grew better. Love. That was nice, guys, wasn't it? Music's popping, Sage doing her thing in the video. Ew, I literally just talked in third person, but this is just me putting on the last lash, and I just went ahead and brushed them, and this was pretty much the finished result. Like, yo, you cannot tell me these don't look like extensions, like regular individual extensions. The sound of you. So that is how I apply my, it's so funny when I do the outros because it's like, yo, I literally just stopped talking from the intro and then now I'm doing the outro. So yeah, that's how I apply my cluster lashes. When I don't have lash extensions, I do cluster lashes like that and apply them underneath so they look really natural. Ooh, I didn't do a close-up looking from the bottom, or sorry, from the top. I don't even know if you can see properly, but like closing my eyes, looking from the top, you won't be able to see a band like you would with falsies. My camera died. I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, this is pretty much the lashes. I think I was saying the only thing is it doesn't last as long as lash extensions, of course, because the glue is different. This glue would be more similar to, you know, that hair glue in like the dark gray bottle with the red cat. I would say it's similar to that. Like it gets like that tacky, like kind of stretchy vibe. So yeah, but I sleep with these on. It usually lasts me like almost a week. Maybe like 5 days, 5-6 days. And then once I notice the glue is losing its strength, like I'll wake up and one will be like weak, I'll just like take them off, and it literally just like pull off. Like it doesn't rip out your lashes, the glue just gets really soft and stretchy and it just pulls off. I put some oil to get off any residue and then I just wash my face. But yeah, that's the only thing. It doesn't last as long, but because like you have it at home, you could just reapply it like right after. And you honestly wouldn't want it to last as long as regular lash extensions, because obviously with these you're not isolating it, so you don't want it to last that long to where it's gonna interrupt your natural lash growth cycle. I'm getting into like my lash tech talk, but yeah, it lasts about a week. Regular lash extensions, well, like my work usually lasts like 3. My clients come every like 3 weeks. I have some clients that come once a month for lash fills. But yeah, that's the only thing. But yeah, it's been working great for me just because I can do it myself at home. If I don't want lashes, I just take them off and just rock no lashes. And I think that's pretty important, because I feel like when you get lash extensions or just wear lashes a lot in general, you just get used to how you look with lash extensions on, to when you take them off, you're just like, yo, who is this? I feel like when I used to take my extensions off, I look like a naked mole rat, like my eyes look bald, but now I'm used to how I look without lashes again, and I love it. So yeah, I'm liking them. That's pretty much it. Any questions, just ask them down below and I'll answer them. And I will link all of the stuff I used in the my description. You see, this is how you know I have not been on YouTube in a long time, but I'll link it in the description box. I'll definitely link all that stuff down below. This is my Caravana costume, my carnival costume from last year. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it is Sage signing out. Peace!